Hey, what is up? It is your boy Will, and welcome back to the Skinny Survivor channel, the best place for skinny guys to gain their first 30 pounds of rock hard muscle and go from the scrawny guy to the brawny guy. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a muscle building home leg workout that you can use with no equipment. So if you're stuck at home during COVID and during quarantine and you don't have equipment, well, this workout is going to be amazing for you. So if you're new to this channel, again, this is the best place for muscle building tips and tricks, mass gain workouts, mass gain recipes. So if you're a skinny guy looking to bulk up and you want to get to that first 30 pounds of muscle fast, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. And if you've been a follower or subscriber of mine for a while now, make sure to check the links down below after this video to get your free bulking meal plan and workout to get started on your weight gain journey in the next 30 days. So in today's workout, I'll be revealing to you a very simple leg workout that you can do around 2 to 3 times per week for effective results so you can build your lower body. Now, one of the biggest mistakes that skinny guys make, and I myself have made, has been neglecting your legs. Make sure don't neglect your legs. Make sure you train them at least 2 to 3 times per week for the best results. So I'm not going to get into the details of the workout too much, but basically how this workout works is it's 6 exercises, and we're going to perform 3 sets per exercise, and we're going to do 45-second rounds. So every single exercise that you find in this workout, you're going to do 3 sets of, which means you're going to do 3 times of each exercise, and you're going to go for 45-second rounds. So you'll see in a second the workout and how it works, but basically each exercise you consistently do reps for 45 seconds. So the first exercise that I'm going to show you is a bodyweight squat, and how you perform that is you keep doing that bodyweight squat for 45 seconds, okay? You can use a timer on your phone, you can use a stopwatch. These are all great ways to time your 45 seconds. Once you've done 45 seconds of each exercise, do it 3 times, and then do all 6 exercises in a row, okay? And that's gonna be an awesome leg workout. Make sure to save it, screenshot it, and you can do it throughout the week with no equipment to build your legs. So that's it for the details of this workout. Let's get straight into it.
So that's it for this video today. Hope you enjoyed this workout. Make sure to check out all the other workouts on the right side of this page and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming workouts. See you in the next one.